First, prepare the wheels. Align the screw holes on the bottom of the case. Tighten them again. Prepare the epoxy board. Tape the inside of the case around the perimeter. The center of the chassis should be epoxied as well. Epoxy plate the top battery cell. Next is how to mount the motherboard to the panel and plug in the wires. Each wire has a corresponding number. Plug in the wires according to the corresponding numbers. The serial cable is a big connector. Screw it on. The next step is to install the adapter plate. This step is to facilitate the installation of the BMS protection board. You can install the bottom panel first. This will facilitate the installation of the BMS board. Connect the wires from the collector board to the battery cell. The next step is to connect the protection board to the battery cell.